Welcome to our channel. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate the notification bell. Isaac Newton dedicated part of his life to studying the motion of objects and formulated 3 laws that allow us to study and predict how objects behave when experiencing one or more forces. These laws are also known as Newton's laws of motion. Let's see what they are all about. The first law of Newton, also called the law of inertia, states that every object remains at rest or in motion with the same speed and direction unless an external force acts on it. If you leave a ball on the ground, it won't move by itself unless someone pushes or kicks it. When a bus suddenly brakes, the passengers keep moving forward. This happens because their bodies tend to stay in motion until something stops them, like the seatbelt. In space, satellites keep moving without needing fuel because there is no friction to stop them. If you are standing still and someone pushes you, your body will move in the direction of the push because the external force broke your state of rest. The second law of Newton, also known as the fundamental law of dynamics, tells us that the acceleration of an object depends on the applied force and its mass. Mathematically, it is expressed as. This means that if we apply the same force to 2 objects with different masses, the one with less mass will accelerate more. Acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. If you kick a baseball and a soccer ball with the same force, the baseball will move faster because it has less mass. Pushing a car requires much more force than pushing a bicycle because the car has a greater mass. At amusement parks, roller coasters accelerate faster when going downhill because gravity exerts a large force on them. If you try to throw a small stone and a large one with the same force, the small one will move faster because its mass is lower. The third law of Newton, also called the law of action and reaction, states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you lean against a wall, you feel that the wall also pushes you back. That's the reaction. When walking, we push the ground backward with our feet, and as a reaction, the ground pushes us forward. When you jump on a trampoline by pushing it down, it pushes you up with the same force. Rockets work by expelling gases backward, and as a reaction, they propel forward, allowing them to travel through space. When rowing a boat, we push the water backward with the oars, and as a reaction, the boat moves forward. Newton's laws are present in our daily lives and throughout the universe. From cars to space rockets, everything follows these fundamental rules. Physics is everywhere. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and activate the notification bell for more content.